Hello everyone, my name is Sumit. Today we will discuss about the a case report form. A case report form is a structure, document or a questionnaire used in a clinical research to collect the data on each study participant that is subject. It is a essential tool for the systematically gathering the information about the participant, medical history, treatment and the outcomes during the course of a clinical trial or a research study. Here are the key aspects of the case report form. In that, first one is participant identification. Each case report form is typically assigned a unique identifier to match the data with a specific participant while maintaining the confidentiality. Then next is demographic information. Demographic information are the basic details about the participants such as name, date of birth, gender and the contact information. Then next is medical history. Should mention in the case report form information about the participant medical background including pre-existing condition and the previous treatment and the relevant medical events. Then informed consent, documentation of participant consent to participate in the study voluntarily. It should mention in the case report form. The next is study specific assessment. Structure section for the recording data related to the study such as vital signs, laboratory test result and the physical examination and the assessment specific to the research objective. The next is adverse event. A section for the recording any adverse event during the clinical trial or the side effect experienced by the participant during the study, include their severity and the relationship to the study interventions. The next is concomitant medication. It is a detail of any medication or therapy during the if the participant is receiving in addition to the study intervention. The next is treatment and the intervention information. Information related about to the administration of the study treatment, dosage, frequency and their compliance. Then next is study visits and the timeline. A timeline indicating when each study visits occurred and what assessment were performed during those visits. And at lastly the signature and date is mentioned. Signature of the study staff responsible for the completing the case report form and the date of the data entry. And next is data validation, quality control measures to ensure accurate and consistent data collection including checks for the missing or inconsistent data. Case report form plays a crucial role in maintaining the accuracy and integrity of clinical trial data. They are typically designed to align with the study protocol and are used by the healthcare professionals, clinical research coordinators and the investigator to systematically record the participant information throughout the study duration. Once it completed, case report form are usually submitted to the study sponsor or data management team for the data analysis and the reporting of the data. This is all about the case report form. Thank you.